lift weights.
Okay, ready. Now I need some more weight. That's right. Now it looks like a weightlifter. A watermelon this big can be used as a dumbbell. Okay, looks like enough room for more stuff. It's quite heavy, but it's nothing. Add this one to complete the set. Hey, puppy, give me some exercise. Water is quite heavy. Perfect. The weight is there. Now let's break the record.